Hi. You guys ready for a Kong? Mama's gonna make you a Kong. And Zulu just got a new Kong. Zulu, did you just get this from the store? Yeah? Mama's gonna prep it for you. So you guys are ready for the Kong? Zulu is already positioned and she has claimed this Kong pillow. So there you go, little girl. And then Zinga is over here. So Zinga, you're in this corner. All right, and you guys are gonna go at it. Let's see what Zinga can figure out here. He's trying to figure it out. How do I get that yumminess in my tummy? Oh, you got some. You go. You go, Zinga. Now, if they would just dump it, all of it would come out, but he doesn't know that. He just wiggled it and it came out. All right, let's go check on Zulu. All right, Zulu, how are you doing? Oh, nice technique with your head upside down. Okay, what a weird position. You're figuring it out though. Did it fall out? Yeah. You got some. You're so happy. You're like, yay! Lots of rewards falling out of this. Yeah, crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch. Oh, you got it. See, you tipped it up. That was very good, Zulu. You know how to do it. Use that nose. Good girl. All right, let's go check on Zinga one more time. Let's see what's going on. What's going on, Zing? Did you get it? Are you getting it? Is there anything left in it? Let's see. Let's see if there's anything in there anymore. Let me see. There still is. There still is some stuff in there. You gotta get that out. How do you get it out? You trying to get your tongue in there? Like that tongue's not long enough. Tip it. Tip it the other way, baby. Tip it. Use your nose and tip it. Tip it. Come on, you can do it. Tip it this way. Tip it this way. You got it. See? Just roll it around. Just use your nose and roll it around. Aww. Let's see if anything else is in here. No. Let me see. I think there's one kibble in there. There you go. Let's see. Zulu. Zulu left her Kong. Did you get everything? Yeah. It's clean. Good job, baby. Good job, girl-a-whirla. You did it. Hey. Oh, Zinga's going to see if there's anything in there. Nothing left, baby. Zinga, boom.